Chemical practical procedure of determining the solubility of different substances in water. Materials. Different substances to test, for example, sugar, salt, sand, oil, water, test tubes, beaker, stirring rod, heat source. Procedure. Place a small amount of the substance to be tested in a test tube. Add a few milliliters of water to the test tube. Stir the mixture with the stirring rod. Observe whether the substance dissolves in the water. If the substance does not dissolve in the water, try heating the test tube gently over a heat source. Observe whether the substance dissolves in the hot water. Results. If the substance dissolves in the water, then it is soluble in water. If the substance does not dissolve in the water, then it is insoluble in water. Example: substance, water. Result: sugar, soluble, salt, soluble, sand, insoluble, oil, insoluble. Safety precautions. Be careful when handling hot test tubes. Wear safety goggles when working with chemicals. Tips. If you are unsure whether a substance is soluble in water, you can look up its solubility in a chemistry reference book. If you are testing a substance that is insoluble in water, you may need to use a different solvent, such as alcohol or acetone. If you are testing a substance that is harmful if ingested, be sure to wear gloves and to dispose of the substance properly. Applications. Determining the solubility of different substances in water is important in a number of industries, including the food industry, the chemical industry, and the water treatment industry. In the food industry, solubility is important for developing and manufacturing food products. For example, the solubility of sugar in water is important for making candy and other desserts. In the chemical industry, solubility is important for developing and manufacturing chemical products. For example, the solubility of salt in water is important for making fertilizers and other cleaning products. In the water treatment industry, solubility is important for removing impurities from water. For example, the solubility of sand in water is important for filtering water. Extension activities. Investigate the effect of temperature on the solubility of different substances in water. Investigate the effect of the pH of a solution on the solubility of different substances in water. Investigate the effect of the presence of other substances on the solubility of a substance in water. Design and carry out your own experiment to investigate a factor that you think might affect the solubility of a substance in water. Teacher's notes. Solubility is the ability of a substance to dissolve in a solvent. Water is a universal solvent, which means that it can dissolve more substances than any other solvent. The solubility of a substance in water depends on a number of factors, including the temperature of the solution, the pH of the solution, and the presence of other substances in the solution. Solubility is an important concept in chemistry because it can affect the rate of chemical reactions and the properties of solutions.